In today's lecture, we will study about kinetic particle theory. Do you know that air is made up of tiny particles that move around? Of course, we cannot see that tiny particles with our naked eyes because these are of electron microscope level. But you have seen dancing dust. The dancing dust that you see in a beam of light is actually the result of air particles moving and bumping into dust. We can see dust particles in air, but we cannot see air particles because of their very small size. This explanation for dancing dust is based on the kinetic particle theory. Let's define kinetic particle theory. All matter. We defined matter in previous lecture. All matter is made up of tiny particles, very small particles, and that these particles are in constant. Constant means muसलसल, random motion. ये कांस्टेंट रैंडम मोशन में है. रैंडम मोशन से मतलब क्या है? जैसे यस ऑफ कोर्स, जैसे स्टूडेंट्स रैंडम हो जाते हैं इन द ब्रेक टाइम. सम पार्टिकल्स आर गोइंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन, सम इन दिस anywhere, all around. So air is a particle. All matter is made up of tiny particles and these particles are in constant random motion. जब भी कोई चीज़ मूव करती है, इट्स मीन इट possess some kinetic energy. Hence the name kinetic particle theory. We shall now learn more about the kinetic particle theory. Kinetic particle theory describes the state of matter. We studied earlier there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gases, and how these behaves. Next, explains the differences in the properties of solid, liquid and gas. Can you tell me the differences in the properties? Yes, the gases and liquid flow while solid do not. All we studied in previous lecture. And the next one is explain the changes of state. Changes of state: when ice is heating, when ice is heated, it melts, and upon further heating, it evaporates into vapors. And reverse happens by cooling water vapors. It changes into liquid, and this liquid on further cooling changes into ice. These are some properties, some extra properties, different, more than previous lecture. If we talk about arrangement of particles in solid order, you can see in this picture that every particle is in fixed position. They are in sequence, ordered and closely packed. However, in liquid, disordered. Some of the particles are out of their planes, less closely packed than in solid. And the last one, disordered, very far apart. So if you compare three, very close, in liquid they are little bit far, whereas in gaseous state they are far apart. If we talk about attractive forces, very strong attractive forces are present in solid. In case of liquid, strong, not very strong but strong, still strong, while in gas, very weak. As a result, because there is very weak attractive forces means force of attraction between two particles. So as the force of attraction is very less, so they are far apart. Third property is kinetic energy of particles. Kinetic energy. Solids particles are not moving, they are stationary. So their kinetics is due to movement. So as they are still, no movement, so their kinetic energy is very low. Liquid particles low, while in gases very high. Last property, particle motion. Solid particles vibrate and rotate about in a fixed position. Fixed position. It's focusing on fixed position. Why? Because they can't move from their place. And if we talk about liquid, slide over each other. Just like honey, one layer slides over another. Last one is gas. Move about at great speed. Simple example, if you air freshener in a room, the air spreads all around. It's mean it move with a great speed. This is all we studied today. This image is from your book. The last time for assessment, what you studied. Question number 1, using the kinetic particle theory, explain why. You have to explain these two questions. Liquid have fixed volume but not fixed shape. You can use comparison table to answer this question. B question is, in which state of matter particle move most freely? In which particle move most freely? So you have to answer these two questions. I have added picture of the topic we studied today, and all explanation is added. So be focused.